Welcome back to our YouTube channel, People Safety Junction. Today, we are diving into an essential aspect of construction, scaffolding. By the end of this session, you'll understand the purpose and importance of scaffolding, the key components of scaffolding, how scaffolding enhances safety and efficiency on site. Think of it as a worker's safe platform. Whether it's bricklaying, painting, welding, or heavy installation, scaffolding secures the workspace while allowing movement and efficiency. Now we will see definition of scaffold. Scaffold is a temporary elevated platform and its supporting components used for supporting workmen, materials, or both. Types of scaffolds includes tube and coupler scaffolds, system scaffolds, mobile and tower scaffolds, fabricated tubular frame scaffolds, bracket scaffolds, and underhung scaffolds. Now, we will look at each scaffolding component one by one. A. Scaffold plank or board. Scaffold plank is an individual timber board or fabricated component that serves as a flooring member of a platform. Scaffold platform units shall be either solid sawn wood planks, laminated veneer lumber, LVL, planks, and fabricated planks. B. Bearer or transom. Bearers installed in continuous lengths horizontally across the entire scaffold width, transversely. Before turning towards C and D, we should first understand what bracing is. Bracing is a rigid connection of scaffold tubing that holds one scaffold member in a fixed position with respect to another member to give the scaffold rigidity. C. Longitudinal, facade or sway bracing. In longitudinal bracing, diagonal braces installed in the plane of the longer dimension, length, of the scaffold. D. Transverse or sectional bracing. In transverse bracing, diagonal braces installed in the plane of the shorter dimension, width, of the scaffold. Before turning towards E, F and G, we should first understand what guardrail system is. Guardrail system is a barrier consisting of top rails, mid rails, toe boards, and supporting uprights, erected to prevent workers from falling off an elevated work area and to prevent objects from falling onto workers below. E. Top rail, the uppermost horizontal rail of a guardrail system. F. Mid rail, a horizontal rail approximately midway between the top rail of a guardrail system and the platform. G. Toe board, a barrier secured along the sides and the ends of a platform to guard against the falling of material, tools, and other objects. H. Post or standard. Post is a vertical scaffold tube that bears the weight of the scaffold. I. Runner or ledger. Runners is installed horizontally in continuous lengths along the entire scaffold length, longitudinally. J. Base plate. All scaffold posts shall be pitched on steel base plates, which is available in size of 6 inches by 6 inches and a 1/4 inch thick. K. Sill or sole board, a timber spreader used to distribute the load from a base plate to the ground. L. Self-closing drop bar or inside post. Access openings through working platforms shall be protected by a sturdy guardrail system with a self-closing drop bar at top rail height. M. Base lift or kicker lift. The lowest runners and bearers, base lift, shall be located approximately 6 inches above the scaffold base. N. Falls upright or puncheon, a vertical tube supported at its lower end by another scaffold tube or beam and not by the ground or deck. O. Coupler or fitting or clamp, a component or device used to fix scaffold tubes together. Types of couplers include adjustable, swivel, coupler, bearer, single or putlog, coupler, right angle, double, 90-degree, coupler, check, safety, coupler, end-to-end, sleeve, coupler, girder coupler. By understanding scaffolding and its components, we ensure safe and efficient construction practices. Always follow workplace safety guidelines, inspect scaffolds before use, and wear proper protective equipment. Thank you for your time. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel People Safety Junction for help us to reach out more safety field job seekers. Learn more, grow more.